Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 VW Tiguan R-Line Tech. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 19,000 miles and comes with full service history from VW. This colour is the metallic Indian grey and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, got the equally clean interior. Being the R-Line, you've got the sports seats there, which are really comfy and supportive, and the front seats are also heated. There's an armrest and two cup holders in the front for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, cruise control, which is active cruise control on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. And that button just down there is also for the electric tailgate. And lastly, you've then got the full-length glass sunroof, so that's ideal for the summer months. The Tiguan's always a popular car for families, so nice wide rear door opening, lots of legroom and headroom in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have control over their air vent temperatures in the centre and the fold-away picnic tables. Opening the tailgate, which, like I said, is electric, reveals a good sized boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also then got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also 360-degree parking cameras. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.